Okay, let's talk about automating your digital screens. It's a change that'll save you a ton of time.
If you run a business, you probably spend way too much time fiddling with what's on your screens.
I mean, it's a total headache, right? Switching from a breakfast menu to a lunch special is a constant chore.
But what if you could just automate that entire process? Make sure the right content always shows up on its own.
Well, you can. It's a powerful strategy called Dayparting, and trust me, it's way simpler than it sounds.
All it means is you schedule your content ahead of time and your screens just update themselves, automatically.
And the process itself, it's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, that's it. First up, you just pick the content you want to show, like, say, your lunch menu playlist.
Next, you pop open a calendar and set the exact start and end times for it to run.
And for the final step, you just tell the system which screens or even groups of screens should show it.
Once you hit Create, this system takes over. Your content will now show up exactly when you scheduled it.
And hey, this goes way beyond just menus. Think weekend sales, holiday promos. The possibilities are endless.
Really, the best part is this whole set it and forget it idea. It's a complete game changer.
This just automates away all that daily manual work. It frees you and your staff up for other things.
So your customers always see the right message at the right time without you having to lift a finger.
So you have to ask yourself, what could your business do with all those hours you get back?